It's Cadillacs, even though we in the Chrysler. Yes, sir. We riding Hemi. Y'all already know what time it is. We back with another one on the tube. Ooh, got the 22s. Look, somebody got dust all on my shit. Look at that. Y'all see that? We back out here. We got a whole nother video for y'all boys. A vlog, you know what I'm talking about. We going to get an oil change on the Chrysler. We getting an oil change on the Chrysler. Cause this Joker definitely need an oil change. I'm gonna probably go with some thicker oil out that Joe. Catch me at the lake and shit. Lakeside living, my boy. They building the whole towers across the way. The towers. Subaru. Ooh, this angle kinda hitting though. It's kinda hitting. Look at that 0.5. I'm finna put these, I got some glow little tire tags. We're gonna put that on there. Let's see. I mean, the little tire plugs. Glow in the dark joint. Look at all this dust, man. Dang, my cat scratched me. I didn't even realize. Right, it's a damn cat on my shit. What is this? Alright. We're gonna stop this bad boy right here. Tay got slacks. We finna pull up to Walmart for the oil change. Let's get this bad boy started, you know what I'm talking about? Man's got to piece together all these videos. Definitely need a car wash for that boy. Look at that sunroof, Joker. Stop playing. This should be getting dusty in here. 0.5 to get that POV. Now y'all get to see what the man's. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and get my little handy dandy vlog tool, you know what I'm saying? Look at how they got me, y'all boys. Let's do it. Hold on. We in there. Sunroof open? Fuck it, let's do it. You know that's a pass. Stop playing with them. You know what I'm talking about? Look, it even tell me, boy, you see. Boy, I programmed the whole motor with this. Stop playing. Nah, they cooked me. Your boy, my cat definitely scratched me. Let's see what that cold start hitting for. Hold on. Ain't even a cold start, it's a warm start. Start yelling for me, buddy. I need like a mouth GoPro or something. Chrysler. That's how you know the radio ain't working, dumb. Like you get the whole POV. My shit sound terrible. This damn. We ain't even gonna make this long. So first we going to Walmart for the oil change. Then we pulling up to look at this Ram though. That's tough. Yeah, we finna go get a young Vapor 10, you know what I'm talking about? And then we finna slide to get the damn oil change, y'all boys, you know what I'm talking about? Y'all think it's warm? I think it's warm. Gets up out of there. Sunroof, baby, you know what I'm talking about? I don't know how this video coming out, but let's see. Let's see what this tunnel hitting for. If I even wanna I'm trying to think, should I put some thick oil in my shit? I don't know. Look at that Mustang right there. I always be driving way too fast. Damn, look at that. Look at the Fed boys. They're there, buddy. I can never get them on the camera, bro. This shit trash. That's alright though. I just made all that noise though. There's a bus stop right here, like since when? What's the chances they fucking bust a U or something trying to come get me? I'm out of there. Now if y'all boys remember, that man got a alignment not that long ago. Boy, there's something else is broken, dumbass. Oh, yeah, something definitely broken. We know this suspension. Look at the Tesla. Ooh. Almost spent off. Damn, I don't know if I should put that thick oil in my shit or not. I'm either doing the regular 5W20 or one time I put 15W40 in here and that shit was hitting, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. I got an exhaust leak or something. Look at the biker. Ooh. Yeah, so what y'all thinking here though, boy? If I had a black headliner in this joint, ooh. Trap Lil Ross. My camera is not steady as I think it is, because this tripod is a little janky. I got another one now. The instant stop is crazy. I bet you the previous owner who drove this, they used to be driving with the stick. They definitely drove with the stick. Look at that Charger. Ooh. These fools be driving fast, boy. You can't get no stopping. What's the name? Let's see. This probably gonna be a long vlog. We finna vlog all up in the smoke shop. I don't know what they thought. We in the Chrysler. Oh yeah, make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Ping, ping, ping. You know what I'm talking about? And I just hit 2,000 subscribers. Congratulations to myself. You know what I'm saying? Boys, y'all boys chase y'all dreams. You know what I'm saying? I used to do YouTube as a little kid. Lizard Boy 417, shouts out to my old channel. Dumbass nigga, make sure y'all go check out my old channel. Stupid. You want to see Tay way back in the day? Sky High Vape Shop. That's the only way to have it. We pull up on the scene. They got beer. Let's see. You know, that man backs in everywhere he goes. You got to be ready for the escape. Just don't. Yeah, man just hit 2,000 subscribers. Stop playing with that, man. You know what time it is. We going up. It's one up top. I got all this fucking... Get out here now, my radio gonna want to work, I bet you. We finna get power real soon here. Shit, we gonna do it. We finna have to mob around the vape shop while these fools... While they wait. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Camera crispy. Camera clean. They got everything. Everything you need. Let me go get in line. in the Chrysler. Alrighty. Let's do it.
Yeah, good. I'm sorry, I didn't even ask.
Yeah, no, you good here. I probably ain't even get the views, buddy. Yeah, now let's get out of there. We ain't get no beer like we usually do, but we got us a young sour apple joint, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, definitely leave the car running. See, I got gas. Damn, we gonna have to go all the way around just to get on the freeway. Is it worth it? I don't even know. Let's see. Uh-oh, that man's got to blow. Yes, sir. Damn, and the police want to be right there. Yeah, we're going to go the other way. That's why we be avoiding police. Do y'all hear this, man? And that was just a 0 to 40. The straight pipe go crazy. I don't know if this is gonna be a long vlog or not, but there's a lot of police out today, I'll tell you that much. Can't catch me out here speeding too crazy. Oh shit. That's a first right there, fool. And I got a battery light. I wonder if that's from damn, I don't even know. I better be able to get on the freeway right here. It was kind of pointless to get on the freeway, but that's alright. Damn, we got a battery light. All I know is I'm thinking my negative cable might have popped off. Cause your boy definitely be using that to combat the shit. Oh yeah, little update, we hooked. Man's hooked his dash back up in the radio. Got the vape in the vlog, boy. That's the young sour apple joint. Quick little pull. There's a lot of police out here, but I was finna hop on the freeway right here just to go this way, but fuck it. I'll probably throw a clip in there after I leave this little, after I leave the spot, the Walmart, I'll probably throw a clip in there, me on the freeway, seeing what it do. He said bring it back at 133, boy. I wonder what that damn. think, but I don't want to have no battery problems and then the food be stuck. Trying to think of what that. I just surely heard some noise like it was shorting out here. Last thing we need to do. Wow, look at that CTS wagon. That was cold. I got dusted by this little car. Fuck it, we gonna put the thick oil in there and see what it do for this summer weather, cause it's hot. Y'all see that? 98 still. Oh boy, it's barely made it through the light. I don't know which one of these turns is to the Walmart. I think it's this one. Yeah, we gonna put some damn 15W40 Pennzoil in here. That shit was running good off of that last time. I think at least. Yeah, now I'm contemplating. I don't know what to do. I should have cut a food right there. Who am I? Would you look at that? We got people lined up. We done made it here, my boy. Chrysler. Let's hope Yes, sir. We done made it to Walmart. Boom. We finished. We trying to see where the thumbnail at. I'm surprised they don't got a big Walmart sign. I was gonna do some thicker oil, but we going with the factory original. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna be struggling to figure out which one of these is the thumbnail. Let's put it in 0.5. Boom. One of these angles gonna be the thumbnail. Yeah, I kind of like the views, buddy. I got transmission oil coming out the bottom of my panel because I put transmission oil right there, or I used it to do the doors. All right, let's see. Dang, I gotta be quick. One of those be the thumbnail. Let's see what Walmart hitting for. Customer entrance. I want to see him pull that joker in there. Hold on. Let's see what it's hitting for. Ooh, that man's crispy. Yeah. Let's do it. Let me get the vape a couple of times. They said an hour wait. They got the clearance. Let me see. I might make a sticker out of one of those. Little dash cams. Now we in the fall. I don't even know what I'm going to get at this point. I think I'm finna grab some laundry detergent, y'all boys. Laundry detergent and what else? We're gonna check some oil additives back there, see what it's hitting for, or not. Cause it's already gonna be full, so we ain't even gonna play. We just gonna see how it runs once we get out of here. Oh, sorry about that. Got medium boxes for $1. Yes, sir. Your boy made it to 2K subscribers. It's gonna be a long vlog. I don't even know. I'm finna probably cut it soon. Get your boots. He said, get your. Said, take takes on Walmart. Stupid. That's how you know it's me. You see the arm come in there? Babies. Ha! I ain't got none of those. Oh God. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just grab some. I don't think I'm finna keep going the whole damn time though. We might cut this when we picking up the car.
So that puts you at 68 something. Are you doing one more thing? Yeah.
All the lights look like they were working. Aired up the tires to 30 psi all the way around. They did notate that your oil dipstick was missing.
Yep.
And you have an oil leak prior to service. Okay. Total for today's me 67.16.
How you doing today?
I got an appointment at 4:30.
Is it the Walmart, my guy? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You already paid too, right?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, cool. I can just pull right out. How much they pay back here?
18.
Okay, that ain't bad. That ain't bad.
That's decent.
Yeah. Thank you. And they said you guys put the tire pressure to 30 psi all the way around. I mean, I don't know if you guys did or not, but
Oh, okay.
But,
I'm not sure who signed off on it. When I came back, it was in there, so.
okay. Is there any way you could just like shoot that tire maybe with it, make sure it's like I say like 38 or something like that? Yeah. I appreciate you.
You said just this one?
Yeah, just that one. Oh. Oh, aux cord working in that joint? All right, I'm good.
Okay. Real quick, I'm gonna just drive it out, but I'll give you the keys up there.
Okay.
Just because they got cameras in there, so.
Okay, dang. I did fail to mention,
Is that? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
All right.
Yeah, real quick.
Sounds a little bit better. Thank you. All right, you guys have a good day. I need to wash my hood. I'm in the back of the back. The battery definitely died while I was in here. But let's finish the vlog off and hit the Panda service vehicle battery. Look at that, tragic. Battery was dead. Oh, it's running a little better. Yo. Hold up, buddy. I don't know what this is. My shit definitely just lagged out. It ain't never did that before. I don't know what the hell that was. Like what? Service vehicle battery? Like what is this, bruh? If my shit die over here, I'm gonna be sick. God damn, man. Yo, my shit lagging. I don't know what they did to my shit. Either it's because the battery did. Damn, I ain't even gonna be able to cut the way I need to. They got this sticker stuck on my steering wheel. Like, come on, fam. My shit ain't never lagged after no oil change like that before. I don't know, my battery is dead. This dumbass interlock keeps saying powering down. Like, what the hell is that? Look at my MDS or whatever the fuck. That shit is not working. Like, this is crazy. It's talking about powering down. Like, what the fuck, fool? I can't even cut the way I need to. Y'all seen how my shit was lagging? I'm trying to cut. Damn, I can't even tell where none of this shit. Damn, that just sounded so horrible, bro. I don't know what's up with my shit. I'ma fuck around, ask somebody to give me a jump. Please be no car right there, yeah. This is crazy. My shit lagging. My power ain't there. Like, what is this? Service vehicle battery. Like, I hate when they do this shit, bro. It won't even. This shit don't make no sense. What's the deal? I don't know. It didn't kill my battery, bro. Like, what is this? Like, what is this? That shit said powering down, buddy. They tried to get me. Look at this. Service vehicle battery. Like, if they cut my shit off, I'm gonna be sick. This is annoying. I ain't gonna hold you. How the hell? How the hell? Fuck it. Let's just keep it pushing before they cut my shit. That shit said powering down. Like, I ain't supposed to be right. Dang, look at that jump though. Hold on. Oh my God, what is that? I ain't never going here again. Ooh, that's the roughest. What's the? Oh my God, are you kidding me? I just lost power, bro. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh my God, bro. Well, guys, this is where we at. Man's got an oil change They killed his battery. I got stranded like 3 times because this dumbass breathalyzer won't let me do nothing. Fucking had to pop my neutral safety switch. Look at that little red guy right there. Had to pop that hoe. Crazy. And now nobody wants to come give me a ride. Ha, they made it to YouTube. Dumb man, really I just need a jump that's gonna last. None of these jumps lasted. Like the car was done. This is tragic as hell, that's all I'm gonna say. I look crispy though, don't I? Ha! Nah, I just needed to charge my battery. Yeah, this is tragic as hell. I got like 3 jumps so far, and none of them were good enough to... Like, this shit wouldn't even stay charged to get to where I needed to go. Like, what? I was supposed to be cutting on the freeway. Motor sound a little bit better though with that oil change, I'll tell you that much. Hella police came by, they tried to cook me. Or they kept going. Luckily the person behind me pulled up. They didn't go around me, so shit. Otherwise I would have been done for, boy. Your plates out of there. It's gonna be the longest vlog, yep. So I had homeboy help me push across the street. I was just stranded right there. I was right there. Right when I pulled out right there, my shit tried to die. Should have just parked my shit. Damn, you can see Buddy way over there. Damn, so we waiting for a jump. Y'all boys. Trying to hide my expiration date on my tags. You know I'm cooked. Yeah, shit, damn. No one's gonna pull up and save me. Update, your boy's still stranded. We trying to get a jump. I'm finna go park over there. This is a tragic ass vlog. I don't even know if I want to end it like this. We might have to put the update tomorrow on how my shit's still running. Yeah, my battery just died too low. I can't. These jumps not charging it enough. Fuck. Somebody said nice car though. You'll hear that, haha. Alright, we back up and running, y'all boys. But I'm already knowing this shit gonna die again. Like, fuck, man. I don't know where to park. Well, moral of the story, the battery died. We're in there though. I got a secret driver, buddy. They don't know. Yellow lights, we take those. I'm on, barely can see. Wide body killer like a dad bod, don't it? Look at that. It ain't that wide body, buddy. It's a green light though. Let's see what it's cooking for. I'm driving off of what I can see. It's a full moon too. It's a full moon, baby. Slow down. that motherfucker in the Nissan. What even is this, a vet? Ah, look at the Chrysler. Oh God, I'm going 80. I cannot even keep up, fool. Yeah. Audio probably ain't picking up, but I'm out here like, whoa. You're probably wondering how I got the commentary. It's Tay Guys Cadillacs, even though we in the Chrysler.